We had a 2-hour, 41-minute rain delay in the top half of the 5th inning. But it's going to be a 9-inning ball game. One ball, no strikes. Now the 1-0 coming. Fouled away, 1-1. Sign given by Rick Cerrone. And the 1-1 drilled foul down the left side, 1-2. Howell got the win, Allen the loss in that Dodger-Cardinal game. Tom Niedenfuer picked up a save. That win makes the Dodgers 12-10. Here's the 1-2 pitch. And it missed outside. Again, Garber having some problems with his footing out on that slippery mound. All you really hope for in a game like this is that nobody gets hurt. Two and two the count. Got him, and there's your ball game. Gene Garber strikes out Nick Osaski to end what has been a long afternoon of baseball here at Riverfront Stadium. And the Braves win it by a final score, an unbelievable final score.